Analysis of the 9 student case. The case the 9 student highlights a common challenge in the schools integrating a 9 student into and already established environment. In this assessing the student faces bullying and exclusion wise reasons. Concerns about the school's disciplines a student satisfies and the overall school's claims. The administrations must address the issues effectively with a forcing a coding of the respect and inclusion. The core problem lies in the lack of welcoming awarding account in the difficult of new students to adjust. The school must balance disciplines, actions, hours, goals with support of the affected students with promote long-term cultural change. Several affected governments the situation including the largest institutions resides the saints and defenses partations of disciplines among teachers if educators understands the problem the respondents will be in the case. The recess insists approves the fine-tuned standards. Teachers trained on both prevention and early interventions. Better memory programs to help new students adapt and new faith included. Awards can point and warrants of their impede of respect. Classes code policies and secrets are programs consideration for boards and support both picks. This case implies in the importance of awarded leadership in education administration. Schools must create a safe and inclusive environment by implementing store policies, educate the school community, and taking firm actions against persons with the right stance it deposits out the problems bullying and essays possess scout experiences of its students. Thank you very much.